Welcome, esteemed travellers, to Rhodes Island in Greece. Embark with me on a captivating journey through the shining jewel of the Aegean, where timeless elegance meets breathtaking natural beauty. This is the ancient city of Lindos, perched on the eastern coast of Rhodes. Here, whitewashed houses blanket the hillside, leading to an inviting azure bay below. Enjoy the winding streets filled with artisan shops and traditional tavernas. Exploring the island in a convertible car is definitely the best way to travel and see the sights as you go. Our journey continues to Rhodes Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Take in the cobblestone streets, medieval walls and historic buildings, all echoing tales of knights who once lived here. Now we find ourselves at Kritinia Castle. The 16th century castle offers breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea and the neighbouring islands. Next, behold the castle of Monolithos, a picturesque village that hosts a formidable castle atop a 300-foot rock with ruins of the 15th century castle built on the cliff. Named after the famous actor, Anthony Quinn Bay is a testament to nature's beauty. Enjoy the crystal clear waters, perfect for a relaxing swim or snorkeling amongst the vibrant marine life. Here we have Tsampika Beach and Monestary. Climb the steps to summit for an unparalleled view, then cool off in the clear waters of one of Rhodes' most beautiful beaches. We're back in Lindos now, but this time at the Acropolis. It's a remarkable archaeological site where history coexists with the stunning views of the Mediterranean. The iconic ruins of this ancient citadel on a steep cliff with sea views can be reached by foot or by donkey. Meet Ancient Kamiros, an important city-state of ancient Rhodes. Walk amongst the ruins and feel a deep connection to the past. Heraklos Castle sits on a rocky outcrop, its weathered stones whispering stories of the past. Its strategic position offers panoramic views over Chiraki Village and the bay. Immerse yourself in Navarone Bay, a stunning place of beauty. Its natural splendour served as a backdrop to the famous film, The Guns of Navarone. As you have no doubt seen throughout this video so far, Rhodes offers some absolutely beautiful coastline. Every inch of it is filled with history, beauty and scenic views. Look at Gaurada Dam, a modern marvel amidst the island's ancient treasures. The dam's lake, surrounded by lush forest, offers tranquility in abundance. We now arrive at Vlecha Bay Beach, a stretch of golden sand against turquoise waters. A perfect spot to enjoy the Greek sun. Our tour concludes at Kallithea Springs. These thermal springs set in a magnificent building offer an enchanting blend of nature, architecture and history. As we end our aerial journey through Rhodes, let's take one last look at this stunning island. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more luxury island destinations from throughout the world, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below to let me know which other destinations you'd like to see, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.